What's up, y'all? It's your boy Magnus.Magneto, and it's been a while since I've said that. I miss you. I miss us. I miss this. Am I back? Are we back? Is this back? Is this real? Only one way to find out, right? I'm sure you guys have a lot of questions, which is great. I have a lot of answers, but why would I just tell you them when I could show you them? Your boy has been really grinding to establish his in-person teaching career, and I feel like it's at a place now where I'm really stoked on it. I'm really happy with it. My classes, my students, I'm so blessed and thankful for what I've been doing with them and the opportunities that have been supplied to me. So that's been super amazing. I'm really excited about what I've established in the scene here. As far as training goes, have I been breaking a lot? Yes and no. I've been teaching a lot. It's my full-time career. It's how I keep this place going. Have I been training for myself breaking-wise? No. But I have been skating and a little bit more skating. And I've been breaking on skates because once I realized that was a thing, I got hooked. I was like, what? You can break on wheels? Bro, the options. This changes everything. Videography and cinematography is in my blood. My dad gorilla filmed my whole childhood, and I didn't realize that instinctually I'd been doing kind of the same thing, but I never really allowed myself to take it seriously. So we finally threw the wallet at the camera store. We got a camera, we got a mic, we got a gimbal, bro. What? We got all these things, and I'm only getting started. And I wanna showcase more of the world the way I see it, and that comes into cinematography and videography. So I've been diving into that world, whether it's through just like short little content I've been posting on like Instagram stories, or whether that's been through actually filming full-on music videos. I've been really diving into that whole world, and that's gonna be a big part of the future of this channel. Is everything I show, I'm gonna try to add a cinematography angle to it and really explore that side of things, because I love to do that. I love videography. I'm taking this a little bit more seriously. Your boy is growing up. We've got an actual DSLR camera. We have an actual mic that hopefully works well. Do I know how to use both of them? Debatably. We even have, okay, well, my tripod's still ghetto. Yeah, but you know what? It's a work in progress. We're getting there. We've got an actual mural backdrop. That's not new, that's older.
You want to know my powers? Know who I am. See what I can do. Think of the person you love most in your life. Now that person will know what it is to lose someone they love. My name is Magneto.
Yeah, I'm taking it a little bit more seriously. So I guess that answers your question on the whether I'm back or not. It's gonna be a little bit different this time though. We're gonna do things a little bit differently now. Because the reality is what I've been doing clearly hasn't been sustainable anymore. My passions for creating breaking tutorial content hasn't been where it was. Why? Well, to put it in short, I found skating. I've been working as a b-boy instructor for my whole life, adult life, but having a passion become your career and doing that nonstop all the time, it gets stale, to be frank, and that's normal. Life is about growth, life is about evolving and changing, and I kind of tend to go full circle, and I've definitely done that with this. So I'm so excited to be back right now in a sustainable way. What's that gonna look like for this channel? Well, moving forwards, you're not gonna be seeing just breaking related content. But one thing that my crewmate told me many years ago is that no matter how many times you quit breaking, breaking will never quit you. And it's been true. Breaking's never left me. I've left it countless times, but it's never left me. And I'm forever thankful for that. And I'm always gonna be a breaker, I'm always gonna be a b-boy, and I'm not gonna not create breaking content. That's still gonna be what I'm creating a lot of, but it's not just that. So moving forwards, will you be seeing breaking tutorials again? 100% yes. But you'll also be seeing skating tutorials. You'll also be seeing shorts. I'm gonna dive into shorts.
Eat my shorts.
If anyone that follows me on Instagram knows I love creating little choreographed pieces of content to music and you know, setting it all nice and kind of creating these little concepts. That's one of my biggest passions is to create. And I get to do that with breaking, now with videography too, and cinematography. I get to mix that passion in with it. I've started traveling again. Your boy's gone back on planes. Can you believe it? We're living that bougie 5-star ghetto lifestyle, 1%er. I traveled for the first time. I did a breaking battle on skates. Can you believe that? That's kind of wild. It's a whole thing. It's a whole scene. There's a whole jam skate scene out there. And I've been really diving into that. You know how extremist I am. Welcome to this channel. I've been from 0 to 100 so many times with this channel. And I know I've been teasing my return for a while.
Are you sure about that?
I want to do it right, and right now feels right. And my mental headspace feels right for it. So I also want to be showing you guys travel vlogs, more personal vlogs. I want to be showing you guys mental health related stuff, physical health related stuff. I don't want to be just one thing. I want to show you guys more of me. So that's what I'm going to do. If you like it, awesome. I'd love to have you here. If you don't like it, bro, I don't want to waste your time. Madam, I don't want to waste your time. If you don't like me for me, that's great. There's a lot of people out there. There's a lot of creators. Go find someone you enjoy watching. But I promise if you stick around that I'm gonna do my best to bring you guys the highest quality content I can create, because it's kind of my passion and what I love to do. I'm super excited to be bringing it back to this platform and really exploring this more again. I've also been a big lover of fashion and model related stuff. You know, breaking and hip hop and street culture all is mixed in with fashion a lot too. So I want to bring into more of that world of myself too. And you know, just like whatever little things I'm working on or playing with, I want to show that. And I'm definitely feeling that hunger to show that. So I'm going to do it. PPS, along with establishing my in-person career, I've also been establishing my private teaching career virtually. So for anyone interested in a little bit more of your boy, and a little bit more of the way I teach and approach things in life. If you're interested in virtual privates, that's something I'm officially offering again, the right way this time. Got a whole landing spot, a little website guy, where you can go, you can do all the things, and if that interests you, here's the info. I'd love to connect with you more, personally, privately, one-on-one. And we can get crack-a-lackin', baby. It's our year. It's our year. We're gonna get it. And if not, I'll see you in the next one. This was your boy, Magnus.Magneto. Until then, I'll see you guys soon. I want to throw my hat at camera, but I can't afford to buy a new one yet.